Ready to unlock the power of Solana DeFi by connecting your Crypto.com account to your Phantom wallet? First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to your accounts. You'll want to find your Sol or Solana balance. Tap on the Solana you wish to withdraw. Now, look for the Withdraw button, usually located near the bottom of the screen. Tap it. This will initiate the withdrawal process. Select External Wallet as your withdrawal destination. This signifies you're sending your SOL to a wallet you control, like Phantom. Next, you'll need your Phantom wallet address. Open your Phantom wallet. Look for your Solana address. Will be a long string of letters and numbers. Tap to copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Crypto.com app and paste your Phantom wallet address into the address field. Double check that every character is correct to avoid losing your funds. Ensure you select Solana as the network for the withdrawal. Using the wrong network will result in irreversible loss of your SOL. Crypto.com may automatically recognize it, but always double check. Enter the amount of SOL you want to withdraw. Carefully review all the details, a withdrawal address, the network, and the amount. Confirm the transaction. You may be prompted to enter a two-factor authentication code or complete other security measures. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the withdrawal. The SOL transfer is now initiated. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the Solana blockchain and appear in your Phantom wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your Crypto.com account to your Phantom wallet and can now enjoy the world of Solana DeFi.